Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken easy in slap battles. Start by learning common spawn zones and timing windows, then track audio cues and map indicators. Prioritize safe approaches and use allies to bait other players away. Equip mobility items to escape quickly, and practice grabbing and carrying in low-traffic rounds to reduce risk and build consistency. Identify the most frequent Kraken spawn areas and mark them mentally every round. Move cautiously toward those zones and pause to listen for any special ambient noises that hint at a nearby Kraken. Coordinate with teammates to circle and control exits, preventing other players from rushing in. If you spot multiple opponents, step back and wait for a clearer path rather than forcing a risky grab that once you have the Kraken, move with intention and keep cover between you and pursuers. Use mobility boosts or short hops to break line of sight and force clumsy slaps, then pivot toward safer zones. If teammates can escort, swap to the best carrier when routes are blocked. Stay calm under pressure, and if you risk losing it, drop strategically near recovery cover to allow a quick reclaim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.